Are you looking for the best 3D printer tables and workbenches? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printer tables and workbenches on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Seville Classics UltraHD 202 for 7B. If you have a single 3D printer and need a robust and sturdy table, the Seville Classics UltraHD is an ideal desk for you. It has solid steel construction, a thick wooden flat surface, and fluorescent light along with a cantilever top shelf. The workbench features a huge pegboard that you can use to hang large tools that you need to use frequently. You get a power surge protector included with the workbench with 6 power sockets and 2 USB plugs, giving you an easy solution to plug in all your 3D printers and accessories, like a UV curing station. The table can hold an evenly distributed weight of 500 lbs, 227 kilograms, and the drawers are designed to hold an additional 60 lbs, 27 kilograms, of weight. With its industrial design, durable build quality, and wide desk surface, the Seville Classics UltraHD is in our book the best 3D printer table for beginner and advanced hobbyists. At number 2. Safco Products Deskside Wire Machine Stand 5207 BL. The Safco Deskside Machine Stand is a budget 3D printer table that can be used for a single 3D printer, and it can fit an Ender 3 V2 or small resin 3D printer like those from the Elegoo Mars series. The table was initially intended for paper printers and office stationery, but its rugged build quality and low price make it equally suitable for 3D printing. This table has 3 shelves, with the top desk surface designed to hold up to 100 lbs, 45 kilograms, of weight. The bottom shelves have a mesh design and can hold 50 lbs, 23 kilograms, of materials each. One great way to use this arrangement is to keep a 3D printer on the top work surface, with filament spools in the middle rack and the other tools on the bottom shelf. The table is supported on swivel wheels for easy mobility. The assembly is easy, with straightforward guides and an easy setup process. Overall, the Safco wire stand is a decent quality table for small-sized 3D printers and beginners on a budget. At number 3. Seville Classics UltraHD 11-drawer rolling cabinet. The Seville Classics rolling workbench comes with an elegant yet purposeful design. It has a rugged and durable build quality, with a solid wooden flat work surface, metal frame, and drawers. It is suitable for holding multiple 3D printers at once, including their accessories. The workbench features 11 drawers that you can use to store and organize tools, spare filament spools, and more. It also has a 2-door cabinet with a full-width shelf for adjustable positions. All front surfaces are coated to prevent fingerprint marks, and you can lock the drawers and cabinet to protect your equipment. To move the workbench quickly, it comes with 5 heavy-duty wheels. You can lock 2 of these to fix the table in one place. Overall, the Seville Classics is a solid, durable, and rugged table that you can use to accommodate all your 3D printing stuff and still have room for future expansions. At number 4. Gladiator ready-to-assemble 3/4 door modular gearbox. The Gladiator steel cabinet is a heavy-duty table suited for use in a garage space. It can accommodate a single 3D printer, and you can store the rest of your accessories on the cabinet shelves below the tabletop. Its shelf is adjustable to fit a variety of 3D printer tools, and you can use it to hold up to 75 lbs, 34 kilograms, of weight. You also get adjustable legs so that you always have an evenly leveled desk surface. Optionally, you can add caster wheels if you need more mobility and want to move your 3D printer cabinet around. The included instructions are not particularly detailed, and you will need to have some experience and be careful during the assembly process. The Gladiator steel cabinet is best suited for storing filament spools, small tools, and 3D printer electronics. At number 5. Seville Classics UltraHD Heavy Duty. The Seville Classics workbench table is a heavy-duty, height-adjustable desk. Its height can be easily adjusted between 28.5, 72.4 centimeters, and 4.2, 106.7 centimeters, at 1.5, 3.8 centimeters increments. It gives you the flexibility to adjust the table surface according to your needs and get easy access to the 3D printer without compromising on your posture. The table's construction is solid with a metal frame and a 1.5, 3.8 centimeters, thick wooden work surface that lets the desk hold 1000 lbs, 454 kilograms, of evenly distributed weight. This workbench does not have cabinets or drawers to store your extra 3D printing stuff. Nonetheless, considering its adjustable nature, large surface area, and ability to hold large weights, the Seville Classics Workbench is an ideal 3D printer table for a large 3D printer. At number 6. 66-1/2 Wide Hardwood Workbench. The Gladiator Wide Hardwood Workbench is an excellent solution if you need a simple yet sturdy 3D printing table. It comes with a generous desk surface, solid construction, and is easy to set up for any workspace. Its 1-1/2, 38mm, tabletop can support up to 1500 lbs, 680 kilograms, of weight, making it ideal for heavy 3D printers. The top of the desk is treated with a UV-cured coating that helps it resist any chemical stains, ideal if you work with a resin 3D printer. The Gladiator Wide Hardwood Workbench also comes with steel leveling legs that will help you get a perfectly level work surface. There is no option to add caster wheels for more mobility, however. One limiting factor of the workbench is its depth, and it restricts the maximum size of the 3D printers you can use it for. Aside from that, the Gladiator Hardwood Workbench is an excellent option if you're looking for a heavy-duty yet basic 3D printing table. At number 7. 2X for Basics 9016 for Me Custom Workbench and Shelving Storage System. If you need a fully customizable solution for your 3D printing workspace, the 2-for Custom Workbench is probably the best table for your needs. It comes with 4 workbench legs and 6 shelf links that you can set up in various configurations and get the perfect table for your 3D printing setup. This workbench is somewhat of a DIY project, and you will need to provide your own lumber to build the table and shelves. This means this workbench needs more time and effort than the others on this list, but you can also fully customize it to your needs. The brackets are made up of heavy-gauge structural resin that can support 1000 lbs, 454 kilograms, of weight when combined with the lumber. For the construction process, you only need to execute straight and 90-degree cuts, removing the need for more serious equipment like a miter saw. While purchasing, you can select various options and choose which one best matches your requirements. Because of its high configurability, the 2-for Basics Custom Workbench is the best table for DIY enthusiasts and experienced users who need a custom-built solution for all their 3D printing needs. At number 8. Mite Foldable Heavy-Duty Workbench and Garage Tool Organizer. If you have limited space in your garage and need a 3D printer table that you can move easily out of the way, the Mighty Foldable Workbench is perfect. It folds up when you don't need it and reclaims your space for other activities. It comes with a pegboard for organizing and attaching your tools with ease. The pegboard also substitutes the lack of storage drawers with a cantilevered shelf on the top. The thick MDF tabletop supports 400 lbs, 182 kilograms, of weight, making it suitable for heavy-duty applications. The table needs no assembly, and you can get started using it within a few minutes from unboxing. Overall, the foldable design and the metal construction make it suitable for use in cramped spaces and for holding heavy 3D printers. It is ideal for people who have a small-sized 3D printing workspace but still need a solid 3D printer table.